Good evening, student. Student, topic maxima and minima is continue. Is R.D. Sharma. It is example 34, page number 17.63. Is a one of the good question. Question is so that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 upon 27 times of the volume of the sphere. There is a sphere, a cone is inscribed in the sphere of radius r. Let capital R is the radius of the sphere. This is the center of the sphere. Vertex VAB is a cone. Let OC, C is the center of the cone. Let it is X. Then height of the cone, that is VC. Of the cone, it is R plus X. Height, let it is H. And radius of the cone, small r equal to under root of capital R square minus X square. We have to prove that volume of the cone, that BC is the volume of cone, is 8 upon 27 times volume of the sphere. This we have to prove. To prove. Volume of cone is, let V, C is the volume of cone, it is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So it is V, C is 1 upon 3 pi, radius is root r square minus x square. So it becomes r square minus x square into r plus x. This is the function of x. So dv over dx, 1 upon 3 pi. Apply the product rule here. So r square minus x square as it is. Its derivative is 1 plus r plus x into minus 2x. Now dv over dx is pi upon 3. It is r square minus x square minus 2rx minus 2x square. Then it is pi upon 3 r square minus 2rx minus 3x square. Since first order derivative is 0, for maxima and minima. So we will get r square minus 2rx minus 3x square equal to 0. Its factor r square minus 3rx plus rx minus 3x square equal to 0. Now here capital R is common. So capital R minus 3x plus x common, capital R minus 3x equal to 0. R minus 3x whole common, it is R plus x equal to 0. So complete factor is R minus 3x into R plus x. R plus x cannot be 0 because radius will not be negative. X cannot be negative. So x is not equal to minus r. From this we will get x equal to r upon 3. Now we will find the second order derivative. So d2b over dx square, it is pi upon 3, r square is 0, minus 2r minus 6x, it is pi upon 3, take minus n common, 2 is also common, it is r plus 3x, x is r upon 3, 3 cancel, so it is 4 pi by 3 into r, which is negative. So V is maximum, volume is maximum. Now we will find the volume of cone. Student, volume of cone is this. So it is 1 upon 3 pi. Capital R square minus value of x is r upon 3. So it is r square upon 9 into r plus r upon 3. It is 1 upon 3 pi into 8 upon 9 r square into it is 4 upon 3 r. We can write 8 upon 9, 3 are 27 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of sphere. So here it is 8 upon 27 into volume of sphere. Volume of cone is 8 upon 27 times the volume of sphere. Here volume of cone is maximum and it is maximum here. Now next is example 36. Page number 17.64. Question is, so that the volume of the greatest cylinder which can be inscribed in a cone of height h and semi-vertical angle is alpha is 4 upon 27 pi h cube tan square alpha. Also show that the height of the cylinder is h upon 3. So there is a cone. A cylinder is inscribed inside the cone. We have to prove that the greatest volume of greatest cylinder. Volume of cylinder is 4 upon 27 pi h cube tan square alpha, where h is the height of cone which is constant and semi-vertical angle alpha is also given here, it is constant. semi-vertical angle alpha. And we will also find the height of cylinder. Let it is capital H. We have to prove this height is h upon 3, 1/3 of the height of cone. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h. This is the formula. So according to this, let this is the x. Radius of cylinder is x. Height is capital H. So it is pi x square into capital H. Let it is smaller. It is the smaller. Let this is capital. This is small x. Let this value is x. Then this is small r. So in triangle VAO, in triangle VAO, this is angle is also alpha. So tan alpha equal to r upon x. Let VO equal to x. Then r equal to x tan alpha. It is the radius of the cylinder. And height, radius of cylinder. This is capital small h minus x. Capital H is the height of cylinder. Small h minus x. Height of cylinder. Therefore, this volume of cylinder is pi x tan alpha whole square into h minus x, and it is pi tan square alpha into hx square minus x cube, which is the function of x. Student, there is an important thing, and this x is a very important. If we change the value of x, then height of the cylinder will change and radius of the cylinder will change. So we will suppose this value as a x, and this is the variable part of this particular question, and it is a very important concept. The volume of cylinder is this, which is the function of x. Now we will differentiate b with respect to x. So dv over dx is pi tan square alpha, h is constant, into 2x minus 3x square. Since first order derivative dv over dx equal to 0, this gives you 2hx equal to 3x square. And since x cannot be 0, so 1x is cancelled out and x equal to 2h upon 3. Now we will find second order derivative d2b over dx square. So pi tan square alpha is constant. Its derivative is 2h minus 6x. It is 2 pi tan square alpha, then h minus 3x. X is 2h upon 3. This can say 2 pi tan square alpha into minus h. It is negative. Therefore, V is maximum. Now we will find the maximum volume of cylinder. Now, volume of cylinder is pi 10 square alpha, and one x is common, x square common, x minus h minus x. It is pi 10 square alpha. Value of x is 2h upon 3. So it is 4 upon 9 h square into h minus 2h upon 3. It is 4 pi 10 square alpha upon 9 into h square. From this we will get h upon 3. So it is 4 upon 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. It is the maximum value, B maximum. Maximum value of the cylinder is 4 upon 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha.